Hello, this video is what I think about the oversoul part 2. I did a video what I think about the oversoul a couple of days ago and I forgot to mention some important stuff, so I figured I'd upload a follow-up video to it since it's so easy to upload videos, right? So basically, now I get this information from Bashar. This isn't me, just me grabbing it out of the air. It's me grabbing it off of the internet. And Bashar says that our oversoul, okay, the oversoul basically is our soul, the part of our soul that's closer to God. Like God would be the center, the trunk of the tree. Oversoul would be the branch, and we would be the leaves. So the branch of the tree, right, is actually the electromagnetic grid of the earth. That's our soul. So what we use to essentially talk to each other on the cell phone and the radio waves is actually us. And so, you know, you could say that if everybody on the earth was to die and there was no humans left on the earth, then the electromagnetic field of the earth would actually be greatly diminished. And that being said, not just humans, but the electromagnetic field is also created by animals that live here. And each animal species has its own electromagnetic grid. So even if there's like only one frog, Tasmanian frog left on the earth, that frog has its own electromagnetic grid that goes all the way around the planet. That's the frog electromagnetic grid. And once he dies, boom, it affects the entire electromagnetic grid. It actually becomes less complicated or less intricate. You know, kind of like when they blew up that planet in Star Wars, and then all of a sudden Obi-Wan Kenobi goes, I feel a lessening in the Force, because the force of the planet actually spread out throughout the whole cosmos, kind of like that. Now, Bashar also says that that whales are the oversoul to the dolphins. So basically, whales and dolphins have the same soul. So I guess whales and dolphins actually intermingle with each other, interspecially intermingle with each other. Not only, you know, kind of like how badgers and coyotes team up to hunt groundhogs. They work together and they live together, but they don't only do that as animals, but they do it as souls. Their souls are actually the same, and whales are the oversoul to all these dolphins, because an oversoul, like a soul for lots of different souls, has to be big in order to. The body has to be big in order to embody that, a large soul, a soul with that represents lots of different souls, has to have a larger body. So that's why that's why whales are so big. It's to hold all that soul. So that's pretty crazy. Anyway, so that's that.